Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 21st March 2024. In this video, let us identify the stocks near demand and supply zones, and also we will identify daily and 75 minutes high liquidity demand and supply zones. Apart from that, end of the report, I will also generate stop buffers for all the indices and equity stocks listed in F&O segment. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos I kept in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course, at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. You click the link, you will get into this page, and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we'll provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into report generation for finding the stocks near demand and supply zones. And let us start the reports from the yearly time frame. Actually, last few days we are not finding any stocks for yearly and half yearly, but we will verify anything is available. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. No stocks are there as usual. Yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly supply zone. No stocks. You might be wondering why no stocks. Because mostly all these stocks are closed inside yearly demand zone or yearly supply zone. That is the reason why you are not finding any stocks near demand and supply zones for yearly time frame. Let us change the time frame to half yearly. Let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. So today one stock is filtered. Ramco Cement is near half yearly demand zone. I will be giving you only few seconds time and move on to the next report. What you need to do, pause the video. You can study the parameters. If required, as per these leg in, base candles and leg out, you can draw them on the charts also. After that, you can further proceed with the video. So let me go back. Half yearly time frame. Let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. No stocks are available. I'm going back, changing the time frame to quarterly, and let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. Currently one stock is filtered near to the quarterly demand zone. So moving back, for quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So these three stocks are filtered near to the quarterly supply zone. Again I'm going back, changing the time frame to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So these two stocks are filtered. So going back, changing that for monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. These four stocks are filtered near to the monthly supply zone. So let's go back, changing the time frame to weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. So these three stocks are filtered, which are near to the weekly demand zone. So going back, for weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. So these 8 stocks are filtered. So let's go back, changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So 4 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity zones from this list. We have Nifty Private Bank is in, but we don't trade in the indices in F&O segment. In this F&O segment, only for indices are supported. Private bank is not there. If anybody wants to buy Nifty Private Bank in cash segment, you have an option called ETF, Exchange Traded Funds. So in that you can buy indices. For all indices, ETFs are available. So we don't have any high liquidity zone in the F&O list in any of these stocks. So let's go back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. "17 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity zones from this list. We have high liquidity supply zone, Nifty FMCG, so we can't use indices. So here we have a high liquidity supply zone. IRCTC is currently near to the IRCTC, is a high liquidity zone. It is already tested too. I think couple of days back we have this, our software listed this stock. We already fine-tuned. You know what are the fine-tuned zones, because we already discussed. Check the previous videos. One of the videos you may find this IRCTC. And Pidilite Industries is also high liquidity supply zone. If I am not wrong, even this stock is listed in the last 1 or 2 days reports. And Reliance is listed. Reliance is having high liquidity supply zone. It is a fresh zone. Please fine tune the zone properly. Check the price structures. If everything is good, you can plan a trade. Otherwise, the zone will be violated if price structures are not good. So you need to identify a fine-tuned, a fresh 5-minute zone. What else we have? We have Tata Communications. Tata Communications is already tested 1 and 2 rejections. So you need to look for a fine-tuned, fresh 5-minute zones. So these are the high liquidity supply zones identified from this list. Now let's go back. Let us change the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So these 15 stocks are filtered near to the 125 minutes supply zone. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered. So let us identify high liquidity supply zones. Sorry, we need to identify high liquidity demand zones, not supply zones. Sorry for my mistake. Stocks near demand zone. So we need to identify Nifty Bank is having a high liquidity demand zone. I think it is created today. And next one is Astral is having a high liquidity demand zone. Already tested once, 2 rejections. You need to fine tune and identify a fresh 5-minute zone inside this, fine tuned 5-minute zone. That's it. We have only 2 stocks, Nifty Bank and Astral. High liquidity, 75 minutes demand zones. So let's go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. So 10 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity 75 minute supply zones from this list. Supply zones. All these are all normal supply zones. Yeah, now we have a high liquidity supply zone, India Mart, a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune the zone for two reasons. One is checking the quality, otherwise zone will be violated. And the second is identifying a fine tuned 5-minute zone to identify the order flow here. And next you have one more high liquidity zone, Jubilant Food. This is also tested. This is tested 3 times and 4 rejections. So you need to look for a fine-tuned 5-minute zone inside. You have one more stock, PEL. This is a fresh zone. So you need to check the quality and also you need to check the fine-tuned 5-minute zone. But this is having both high liquidity demand zone as well as supply zone. Such kind of stocks, they give you opportunities at both ends. Demand long opportunities and short opportunities. But anyway, here it is having RR 2%. If 2% is down tomorrow, then you get an entry in the demand zone. Otherwise, you should look for a trade in short. That's it. These are the high liquidity supply zones from this list. Now let's move on to the next time frame. Changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. These 4 stocks are filtered. So I am going back, changing the time frame to, for 25 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. These 11 stocks are filtered. So let's go back, change the time frame to 15 minutes. Find the stocks near high liquidity. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. These 8 stocks are filtered. I'm moving back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. These 4 stocks are filtered. So going back, changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered which are near to the 5 minutes demand zone. Let me go back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. These 11 stocks are filtered. So these are the stocks near demand and supply zones, and also we identified 75 minutes and daily high liquidity demand and supply zones. Now let us generate the last report, stop buffers based on the ATR. So this is the ATR, based on the daily ATR we are generating, as I explained you in lesson 19. So here you have a stock code and you have the date, the last candle closed date and last traded price, and this is the daily ATR. This daily ATR we have to use for your next day's trading. That is on 22nd trading you have to use. So 15% ATR is for monthly income trade, 10% ATR is for weekly income trade, 5% ATR for daily income trade, and 3% ATR for hourly income trade. But for high liquidity zones, we look from a time frames point of view. So for 5 minutes fine tune zones, you can use 3% ATR. For high liquidity zones, always use 3% ATR, don't use 2% ATR. Hope what I do, I will first scroll down the list. I'll keep on scrolling the list down. I'll be giving you only few seconds time. If you want to refer any of these values, pause the video. After that, you can proceed. So this is the complete list of stop buffers based on daily ATR. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.